Hello everyone, my name is Sapna Dhameja. I am one of the IELTS expert trainer at Green Matters. In the video you are going to watch next, there are many loopholes in that. If you have such preparation, so you will come to know that what problems you are doing in your IELTS speaking and what score you deserve. So watch this video till end, and in the end I will discuss the problems and how you can overcome that. Welcome to the speaking section of IELTS examination. My name is Sapna Dhameja and today I will be your examiner for this part of the test, and this test will be recorded. What's your full name?
My name is Bhoop Singh.
May I see your ID?
Definitely. Here it is.
Thank you. Where do you come from?
I belong to a small village, Dhani Bhojraj, which is situated in Fatehabad district of state Haryana.
Do you like this place for living?
Yes, definitely I like this place because it is my birthplace, and I love to stay here as it is very beautiful place and it has many greenless areas.
Okay. I will ask few questions based on family.
Okay.
How often do you meet with your family?
Well, I live with my family, so I often meet them daily, and especially on when we have meal together.
Okay. How do you spend time with your family?
We do lots of activities when I am with my family. Just like that, we love to watch TV together. Sometimes we love to play together like cricket and carom board, etc. And it is good to spend time with my family.
Okay. Are you close to all of your family members?
I can say that because everyone loves me, but I'm very close to my mom, my mother. She is always concerning about me, and whenever I need something, she is always there for me.
Okay. How has your family influenced you?
Well, they influenced me a lot in various ways. Like when I need some guidance, they are always there, and I also like to follow their footprints, like uh, to.
Okay. Do you have many friends?
No, I don't have so much friends, but I have quite. I have very few friends, and out of them, a couple of friends are very close to my heart.
Okay. How often do you talk to your friends?
I am a student, so I don't have too much time to talk them. But when I get the chance, I prefer to meet them personally, and I also use social media to have conversation with them.
Okay. What do you think makes people have a long friendship?
In terms of making a relationship long lasting, it is the benefit. It is most important that the relationship must be based on truth and trust, and person should be polite as well.
Okay. Thank you. This is the end of the part 1. This is the cue card and you have to prepare 1 minute.
Okay, pencil, ma'am.
Yes, you can make notes too.
Thank
You'll
you.
be given 1 minute to prepare your answer. Okay, Bhupsi. You may start now.
Well, India is a diverse country, and people here are multilingual. So there are plethora of renowned singers such as Jazzy B, Arijit Singh, Sunidhi Chauhan, and many more. But here I would like to take this opportunity as to speak about my favorite singer, Amrinder Gill. I like this singer not just because of his melodious voice, but also for his calm and sober personality. I precisely remember that about 2 to 3 years ago, when I heard a song from this singer for the very first time, it took me to the another world, and gave me too much relaxation at that time, and I couldn't stop myself to listen more songs from this singer. So I googled his name, and I found that this person belongs to Jalandhar city and a very well renowned singer in Punjabi industry. I also found that it is very eminent person, and he is one of the greatest actors as well. And from that day I have fallen in love with this person, and I always try to watch his movies very first day, first show. And apart from this person is very kind hearted, and love to donate, love to do charity from time to time. And if I talk about this, why I found it more interesting, because when I got chance to meet him about 1 year ago, I found that he donated all his money that he collected in a marriage to the waiters who were working in that marriage. And I was stunned that how a person can donate all his income to that extent, and it makes me very fascinated, and I became a die-hard fan of him.
Roop Singh, thank you. Do singers play an important role in your country?
Definitely, ma'am, because they are epitome for many people, and people try to follow their footsteps. And if they do good things, the society also reciprocate them.
Okay. What type of singers are more prominent in your country?
Well, as I earlier mentioned, that it is a multicultural society. So there are different types of singers are very prominent, such as Punjabi, Hindi, and Haryanvi as well. But to maintain the fame, they need lots of hard work. So I think who do hard work and consistency in their work, they are remain popular.
Do you think celebrities have a lot of income?
Yes, definitely they have a lot of income, because they did hard work in the past, and they are doing now as well. So it's worth it to have a large higher income for them.
Why?
Because sometimes because as I told you, they work hard. Apart from this, it is not easy, it is not a cup of tea for everyone to become a celebrity and very prominent person. So I think, and as well as they have to sacrifice their privacy sometime because of their fan following. So I think it is worth them to have more income.
In your country, people prefer to listen to traditional music or foreign music?
Well, it depends on the person to person, because I can't say anything about others. But for example, if I talk about myself, I love to listen Punjabi music, as I belong to a culture which is a mix of Punjabi and Haryanvi. And the older ones the older ones like to traditional music, because they don't like to listen the Western music.
Why?
The main barrier in this, I think, that the knowledge of the language, because in the past people were not too educated, and they are lack of the command over other languages. So I think they don't prefer to listen Western music.
Okay, thank you. This is the end of the test.
Thank you.
Hi, the candidate you had seen in this video, he had the speaking test, but it was not up to mark. He could attain only 5.5 or 6 bands, not more than that. If you are having such level, so you would be able to get either 5.5 or 6 bands, because there are many problems in his speaking. In the first part, he had a good confidence, but he had pronunciation problem. If you have confidence, but your pronunciation is not up to mark, so you'll not be able to good score in your first part. In the second part, he had a good range of vocabulary. He used even a good range of vocabulary, but he had done lots of grammatical error with pronunciation problem. If you are doing the same mistake, then you will not be able to get good score. In the third part, he had not strong opinion of every answer. In every answer, he was changing his opinion when I was asking why and how questions. In your exam, you will be asked why and how. Examiner will ask these type of questions to you because they want to judge your opinion again and again. If you are changing your opinion and you don't have the strong opinion, then you will not be able to good score again. So in the first part, you need to have good confidence and pronunciation. In the second part, pronunciation always plays an important role, whether it is a first, second and third. In the second part, the grammar, the candidate's grammar should be up to mark. If they are not having good grammar level, then they'll not be able to good score. And in the third part, examiner always seek your opinion. That's why they are asking why and how questions. So you must remember that your opinion must be strong. So if you are preparing your IELTS and you are committing the such mistakes as the candidate had done in this test, don't do this. Otherwise, you will not able to manage more than 5.5 or 6 band. So try and improve, because there are many other videos where candidates are appearing and they are getting 7, 7.5 or even 8 band. So watch those videos as well and try to learn from this video if you are doing some mistakes. Thank you.